Isn't that kind of what the Orlando Magic had going?
Yeah, a little bit. The clock now at 5. Robinson into the corner for Lewis. Lewis drives baseline. He gets bumped. No call. Off the window and good. Tough shot by Arnold Lewis.
At the next dead ball. And that's why we saw what we saw.
Oh, Miller missed from in close at the other end, and then Didi Louzada ties it up at 7. Ferrara outside. Now Ferrara inside, turns, shoots, and scores! It's just so distinctive. I think it's the best looking ball in the world. Now Jackson for 3. Flash! David Jackson! Play before the unsportsmanlike, it was brutal. Anytime you had a fast break opportunity, it was a grab and just a common foul. Now here comes Jorginho. Getting past the defense. Lays it in and one! Don't play La Falta! The screen by Miller. Marcino guarded by Hetchemeyer. Launches the tray. That's good! Shot clock off. Game clock at 8. Now 7. Robinson driving. Pulls up from 20. Splash! Brandon Robinson. Diaz into the corner. Oh, looked like Jorginho stepped out of bounds. Now Jackson for 3.
Yeah, don't go Steph Curry night on him. That doesn't work when you're tied.
Jorginho has the answer though. Now Jorginho, shot clock 3. Here comes Hinkle. Hinkle with the shot clock winding down. Step back 3 for Jorginho, straight through! Send Simone over to Robinson. Robinson, the step back 3. That's good!
Minutes to go.
Yeah.
Have a shot.
Robinson, step back 3. That's good! 15.2 points per game. 5.1 rebounds, 2.1 assists, shot 44% from three-point range. Oh, and the beneficiary by Fernandez up ahead to Jorginho. He's going to take it all the way himself. There for the cleanup. Gets it to go.
Our virtual private jet flight was very short, by the way.
It was, wasn't it?
You know what?
I don't think I've ever eaten a hamburger so fast in my life. Clock will wind down, and Franca on to the semifinals, escaping Quimsa